Alright guys, I'm back for 2024. Thought I'd just show you something here today under the arstudio.google.com. Got this feature called Prompt Gallery, and you can do all sorts of things in here, but this is some of the stuff their latest models can do. And here's a cool example recipe finder. So let's say let's try new Flash experimental. So let's go and let's pick this dish here. Now let's add an image. The pad thai. Tell me how to make this and write me a shopping list. This is free, by the way. I'm pretty sure you can use this for free. Oh, so it's answered that one. It's answered that one. Let's get to the pad thai. There we go. There's all the ingredients. There's the instructions to make it. And there's the shopping list. Yeah, so that's just a cool example. Let's try another example. Let's say tiramisu. Let's take this picture. Save image as. What about this? Upload file. Come on, come on, come on. It's a bit hard when you've got internet problems. I've been having this all day. I think I've grabbed the wrong file. I think that's the problem. Might be the wrong format. Let's just grab another one. There we go. Alright. What's a recipe? Ingredients for this. Tiramisu. There we go. There you go. So pretty much anything you want to eat, take a photograph of it, upload it into this in arstudio.google.com. It'll give you a recipe and you can go cook it. Check it out.